Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Nissan Sentra SV. This one's white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 149 horsepower and 146 pounds of torque. 4 wheels, we've got 16-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black cloth interior with a carbon fiber pattern trim. Sentra SV badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, 60/40 fold down rear seats, keyless entry, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, auxiliary and USB ports. The Sentra has 9,819 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Nissan Sentra SV, check out feldmanimports.com.